you.
Good morning, Mina. I just got out of the shower. Mommy's getting out for breakfast. Good morning. Yes.
They say you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here. And no, I don't wanna be alone in the world out there.
Can you close it? Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I am your girl, Cherline. If you are new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button so you can be a part of this beautiful family. This morning, I'm going to take my daughter out for breakfast, and then I have to go grocery shopping. After that, I have to come home and take my sister to work, and then do some work in the house and cook dinner. So I have a busy day today, so I'm taking you guys along with me. As you can see, I already took a shower, get dressed. So I have to go, I have to get my daughter ready now so we can go. I think it's almost 8 o'clock. So I'm gonna hurry up and get her ready so we can go. I really don't have time to curl my hair this morning. So I'm just gonna put it down and call it a day. You eat? You ready to eat? Okay, let's go.
person at this table? Raise your hand.
We're just waiting on the wheat toast for the sponge. Sorry.
Thank you. Thank you.
Beautiful.
Mommy? Can I get another fork for her?
We're done eating now, so we're going grocery shopping and then get home because it's already what's wrong, Mama? It's already 10 o'clock.
Mommy.
I have to drop my sister off work and then go back home and cook and do some other stuff at the house. So see you soon. I was low on fruits, so I got some fruits, some grapes, some blackberries and strawberries and bananas, and I got some linguine to make with shrimp later for dinner. So I got some tomatoes too, the shrimp. I needed some frozen fruits. I got some too. And I got some coconut water, milk for my daughter, and pomegranate juice. I cannot live without my avocado, so I got some avocados. And I needed some eggs too. I got some eggs. And I'm trying this fresh. I said fresh. I'm trying this new crackers. So we'll see. And of course my daughter and my sister, they like croissant, so I got some croissant too. And that's basically it. It's already 11. I'm going to drop my sister off work, and when I come back, that's when I'm gonna cook. And you know, I'm kind of tired already. It's early, but I'm tired already. My daughter's outside playing, so let me put these stuff away. So I just got home and my daughter fell asleep in the car, so she's taking a nap right now. Thank God. I'm just gonna go ahead and make dinner. It's almost 2 o'clock. This is the best time to make it while she's sleeping. I have my free time, and you know, whenever she wakes up, she'll eat and we can, you know, play around in the house and do some other stuff. But I'm also tired and sleepy because I woke up early. So I'm just gonna go and prepare this. Awake? Okay. You hungry? Okay, let's go eat. Okay. As soon as I finished cooking, my daughter woke up. It's like she only gave me enough time to cook and that was it. So I'm gonna end it here. I'm feeding her, well, she's feeding herself. I'm just watching her. And after that, I'm going to take a nap. I will try. I don't know if I'll be able to, because if my daughter's awake, I can take a nap. So I'm just gonna rest, try to edit some videos, and that's it. I'm just gonna end it here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and comment. Please do not forget to comment. Please comment below and let me know what you think about this video. And I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye guys.